Welcome back to my channel, it's my Princess Grace, and today me and my dad is going to make the perfect craft. So let's get right into it. So here's the mixture. Here's the water. And we're going to pour it in. Okay, I'm back and we already poured the water. Now I'm mixing. Mix it up, mix it up. It sounds good. It sounds like oatmeal. What's happening? Okay, now see when I'm almost done. Okay, and hi you guys, I'm whiskey. Almost done.
See you guys when it's completely ready.
See you guys when it's completely ready. Okay, I'm back and I'm putting my hand in, and you can't touch the bottom or the sides. And you have to keep it sturdy. For 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back and we put the water inside. We already took our hands out of the mold and we put the water and now we're shaking it. It looks like frosting, but not thick. Milk! And we're gonna shake it and shake it. See you when we're almost done shaking. Okay, I'm back and I'm about to cut the knob. Okay, now let's pull it in. Ooh, so milky. Milk. Milk. The milk. Oh, look. Now we're gonna put in Daddy's. Okay. Bow, 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 bow. Let's see if they can fill up those fingers. Bow, 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 bow.
Not squeeze it.
You can see the trunks. Now it's finally going on the sides. Okay, let's go. Okay, and so wait, not yet. But we're gonna put some more in here. And see you when it's been drying. Hey you guys, I'm back and I already put the stuff in the motor and we're gonna see how it turns out in the morning. Bye, see you in the morning. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye. See you in the morning.